Hello people, now I am going to show you how to do a taper fade step by step. First, I like to start with my number 2 with the lever all the way open, and then I debulk like 2 fingers over the ear. I move with this flicking motion. Make sure that you get a clean line. Then I will establish my trimmer guideline over here. I like to do the outline at this moment. Make sure to clean every hair around the ear. And in the nape, I like to have like 2 fingers of space to do my fade. After the trimmer, I go in with the shaver. Don't go too high. You have to preserve some of the trimmer. Then go in without guard and the lever fully open. It's a 0.5, like 1 finger above your trimmer guideline. Then use the lever half the way closed. And you go into the middle, then lever closed, and knock up all of these hairs. Without touching what you previously cut. Then I like to go with the number 1 guard, lever fully open, 1 finger, halfway closed, lever fully closed, it's like you start to go down, like 1.5, 1.25, number 1, 0.5, a quarter, number 0, trimmer and shaver. Then I go with the half guard, lever halfway open, and go between. Then 1.5 guard, lever fully open, halfway closed, lever closed, and then just retouch as necessary, as you need. Then I use the same steps, the same process for the nape. Baja la cabeza ahí. I did this line with the number 2.5, lever open. Then I did my trimmer guideline. Now I am going to use the 0 lever open. It's a 0.5, like 1 finger in width. Then lever halfway closed, go halfway of your guideline, lever closed, just a little bit, then number 1, lever open, 1 finger, lever halfway closed, go to the middle, lever closed, just a little bit, then you blend it with your half guard, halfway open, Lever closed. Lever open if you need it. One and a half guard, halfway open. All the way open. Fully closed. Make sure you didn't leave any hairs behind or over the ear. Brush them down and do the lineup as good as possible. Then I like to hit this line with the shaver. So guys, this is my approach on how to do a taper fade step by step. I hope you like it. This was my first English tutorial. Thank you.